Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This is the video tutorial on multiple choice questions MCQ on project management part 4. As in every video tutorial, I have been telling you that I have compiled this in view of the examinations to be held very soon, specifically for MBA final year students. This video tutorial may also be useful for the students who are to write their examinations in other different courses like UG, BVA, etc. or by other different universities. Now directly come to the questions. Question number 1. An important aim of a post-project review is to, options are A. Validate overall progress to date against the budget and schedule. B. Capture learning and document it for future uses. C. Ensure acceptance of all permanent documentation signed by the sponsor. D. Establish that project benefits have been identified. Here, the correct option is B. Capture learning and document it for future uses. Now, question number 2. The process that evaluates overall project performance to provide confidence is called, options are A. Quality assurance, B. Quality planning, C. Quality control, D. Quality audit. Correct option is A. Quality assurance. Now move to next slide. Question number 3. Which one of the following statements about the project register is false? About the project risk register is false. Options are A. It facilitates the review and monitoring of risks. B. It facilitates the risk appetite. C. It facilitates the recording of risk responses. Correct option is B. It facilitates the risk appetite. Now, question number 4. Which one of the following statements best defines procurement? Options are A. A technique to establish the best approach for obtaining the resources for the project. B. A group of interrelated resources and activities that transform inputs into outputs. C. The description of the purpose, form and components to support delivery of a product. D. The process by which products and services required for the project. Correct option is D. The process by which the products and services required for the project are acquired. Now move to next slide. Before I go on to this, let me tell you that I am getting good responses from the students. They are expecting even more video tutorials on other subjects like international HRM, strategic HRM, working capital management and financial derivatives. Even some of the students are desirous of getting MCQs on human values and professional ethics. Hope for the best, friends. I will try my level best to make you available all the video tutorials on MCQs on all such subjects before 5th of September. As you know that your exams are set to start from 8th of September. So well in advance, all of you will be supplied those video tutorials. I'll put in hard work in doing this. Moreover, I must tell you that here correct options are highlighted. So by and large, all the correct options are highlighted. Where there is a change, I will let you know in the same video tutorial itself. Now, question number 5. Once a change has been requested, what is the next step in the change control process? Options are A. Evaluate the change. B. Advise the sponsor. C. Update the change log. D. Update the project plan. Correct option is A. Evaluate the change. Question number 6. A responsibility assignment matrix RAM can be used to A. Define the terms of reference of the project manager. B. Define the limits of the project sponsor's responsibilities. C. Allocate risk management response activities to project personnel. D. Allocate work packages to those responsible for project work. Correct option is D. Allocate work packages to those responsible for project work. Question number 7. An organizational breakdown structure OBS is used to identify. Options are A. The reporting structure and current availability of all individuals in the project. B. Technical ability and line of communication for all individuals in the project. C. Lines of communication and responsibility for all the individual managers in the project. D. The reporting structure and lines of communication for all individuals in the projects. So correct option is D. The reporting structure and lines of communication for all individuals in the projects. Now question number 8. Which one of the following best describes project success criteria? Options are actively seeking some senior management support. B. Measures by which the success of the project is judged. C. Achievement of milestones. D. A motivated project team. So correct option is here B. Measures by which the success of the project is judged. Now move to next slide. Question number 9. Comparative estimating uses. Options are current data from similar projects. B. Historic data from all projects. C. Historic data from similar projects. D. Current data from all projects. So correct option is C. Historic data from similar projects. Question number 10. Which one of the following best describes a project stakeholder? So options are A. A party who is concerned about the project going ahead. B. A party with an interest or role in the project or is impacted by the project. C. A party who has a vested interest in the outcome of the project. D. A party who has a financial stake in the organization managing the project. Correct option is B. A party with an interest or role in the project or is impacted by the project. Now next question. 11. The main purpose of the project management plan is to. Options are A. Provide justification for undertaking the project in terms of evaluating the benefit, cost, and risk of alternative options. B. Ensure the project sponsor has tight control of the project manager's activity. C. Document the outcomes of the planning process and provide the reference document for managing the project. D. Document the outcome of the risk, change and configuration management processes. Correct option is C. Document the outcomes of the planning process and provide the reference document for managing the project. Now question number 12. When a project has completed the handover and closure phase, options are the project deliverables are ready for commissioning. B. The project deliverables are ready for handing over to the users. C. The project documentation must be disposed of. D. The capability is now in place for the benefits to be realized. D. The capability is now in place for the benefits to be realized is the correct option. Question number 13. Which one of the following illustrates why effective project management is beneficial to an organization? Options are A. It utilizes resources as and when required under direction of a project manager. B. It advocates employing a consultancy firm which specializes in managing change. C. It recommends using only highly skilled people in the project team. D. It ensures that the chief executive is accountable for the achievement of the defined benefits. Correct option is A. It utilizes resources as and when required under direction of a project manager. Question number 14. A key aspect of managing a project involves. Options are A. Defining which operational systems to put in place. B. Identifying routine tasks. C. Ensuring ongoing operations are maintained. D. Planning to achieve defined objectives. Correct option is D. Planning to achieve defined objectives. Now, question number 15. Who has ultimate responsibility for project risk? Options are A. Steering group. B. Risk owner. C. Project sponsor. D. Project manager. So correct option is C. Project sponsor. Question number 16. Which one of the following statements best describes teamwork? Options are A. People working collaboratively towards a common goal. B. Developing skills that will enhance project performance. C. Gathering the right people together to work on a project. D. Establishing vision and direction towards a common purpose. So correct option is A. People working collaboratively towards a common goal. Question number 17. A review undertaking to decide whether a project should proceed into its next phase is known as a. Options are A. Gate review. B. Feasibility study. C. Milestone review. D. Evaluation review. So correct option is A. Gate review. Question number 18. Which one of the following statements best describes the use of an issue log? Options are a summary of all possible alternative resolutions of an issue. B. A summary of all the project issues, their analysis and status. C. A tool to ensure that a process is in place for capturing all issues. D. A tool to ensure that the issue management process is adhered to. So, correct option here is B. A summary of all the project issues, their analysis and status. Viewers, please don't forget to subscribe and forward it to many this channel if you really like this video. Now, question number 19. The main aim of a project risk management process should be to A. Identify project risks and then manage them appropriately. B. Identify all project risks and transfer them immediately. C. Identify all the things that are threats or opportunities on a project. D. Satisfy the organization's project management process. Correct option is A. Identify project risks and then manage them appropriately. Now, question number 20. What is a visual representation of project's planned activities against a calendar called? Options are A. A Gantt chart. B. A critical path network. C. A product flow diagram. D. A Pareto chart. Correct option is A. A Gantt chart. Question number 21. Configuration management is best described as. Options are A. Controlling the implementation of changes to project schedules. B. An organization to review proposed changes to the project deliverables. C. Quality control of project deliverables and documentation. D. Creation, maintenance and controlled change of the project deliverables. So, options are here. Correct option is D. Creation, maintenance and controlled change of the deliverables. This was all about this particular video tutorial. For any query, you can write to our classes at gmail.com. Hope for the best. More video tutorials on your other different subjects as I spoke in between the video tutorials will be made available to you. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice time. God bless you. Best of luck.